In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add and connect your Outlook or Microsoft 365 calendar. This is a great way to manage your schedule more effectively by keeping all of your calendars in sync. To start, open your preferred browser and navigate to your apps section. This is typically where all your commonly used applications are organized, making it easy to access a variety of tools in one place. Once you're in the apps section, look for a search bar. This handy feature allows you to search through your applications quickly without having to browse manually through each one. Type in calendar and hit enter. This should bring up a list of relevant options, and you're looking for your Outlook or Microsoft 365 calendar. Once you've located your calendar, click on it to open. You should now be looking at your calendar interface, which presents a view of your events, reminders, and scheduled appointments. The next step is connecting your calendar for syncing purposes. Normally, this involves adjusting your calendar settings to integrate with additional accounts. In your calendar settings, look for an option like Add Account or Connect Calendar. This option may be located in a section like Accounts or Linked Calendars, especially if you're using a Microsoft platform. Click on this option and you will be prompted to add your Outlook or Microsoft 365 account. If it requests login information, make sure you have your credentials handy. This will typically be your email and password associated with your Microsoft account. During this process, you might be asked to grant permissions for your calendar to access and sync data from your Outlook or Microsoft 365 account. It's important to confirm these permissions to allow your events and information to be shared between calendars. Rest assured, this is a standard practice to help maintain accuracy and access across devices. Once you've added your account credentials and granted permissions, the connection process should be underway. It's common to see prompts indicating that syncing is happening. This might take a few moments depending on the amount of data being synced and the speed of your internet connection. After syncing is complete, take a few moments to review your calendar. You should see your Outlook or Microsoft 365 events and entries now populating your main calendar view. This integration allows you to view and manage your schedule more efficiently, all from one location, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and connected your Outlook or Microsoft 365 calendar, streamlining your time and productivity management. If you're ever unsure about any specific settings or experience any issues, remember to consult your application's help section or reach out to support for additional guidance. Thanks for joining me today in setting up your calendar integration. Keep exploring and maximizing your app's capabilities.